Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be inking and painting this beautiful little simple angel, and to paint it, I did use this Canson Graduate watercolor paper, A4 size, 250 grams. It is cold pressed cellulose watercolor paper. For the watercolors I used this ZenArt watercolors, and for the colors some warm sepia, raw sienna, and a little bit of the Prussian blue. For the brushes I used this die knife number 1 mob brush, Raphael number 8 round brush, and this Panart number 2 detail brush. For the inking I used Micron 03 ink pen, and I believe that's all the supplies we will be needing, and without the further ado, let's get to it. I will be starting or doing the inking first, and just go on top of the sketch that I drew, and that sketch is available for you guys to download on my Patreon. You just need to join in my Patreon for free, and if you do join it for free, you will gain the access to this sketch and sketches for all of the illustration we're doing for this winter and Christmas illustrations. And of course many more sketches that I do have available for my free Patreon members and also paid members, but yeah, for the free too on my Patreon. So like that, and then yeah, that's the basic. So just on top of the sketch, but I do want to add more of the details. With the ink. Just thickening. Some lines for the wings. I'm making it a little bit more sketchy and not so clean, like that. Maybe some bit more details and embellishments, stylizing. Like that. And I will switch to the watercolors. And first I will use this larger brush and just splatter a little bit of the clean water, but also just add a bit of the water around this angel. So when I start adding the watercolors, I do want to have some bleeds. I will use a little bit of the raw sienna first, but I will mix it with just a tiny bit of the Prussian blue, and just gonna paint in very, very light first wash of that little angel. Drop in a bit color. I do have also a little bit of the warm sepia and some more of the raw sienna, but I will add just a tiny bit also of the Prussian blue and just paint in those creases and some more details. And now I will just get just a tiny bit more of the Prussian blue. That's actually too much. I'm gonna mix it with raw sienna and paint in the wings, so a bit more of the blue. Like that. And I do want to have some little bit of the pigment also outside the edges, so I will get a little bit more of the raw sienna and just paint in around that angel. Move maybe again a little bit of the paint around, get some more raw sienna and do a few splatters. These are gonna blend because the paper is wet. They will blend with the background. Like that. And I will switch to a bit smaller brush, get some more Prussian blue mixed with yellow. And just add tiny bit more on the wings, especially here at the central part, like that. And then just drop in a few droplets here and there, and because the paper is wet it will blend but also create nice texture. And then some more of the warm sepia mixed in with raw sienna just underneath, and also here again on these creases. To emphasize them a bit. And maybe also a couple of droplets like that. And also for the head, I'm gonna use that raw sienna and warm sepia. Mix. Like that. I do want to keep it quite nice. A little bit more of the raw sienna. Like that. Let's dry that. And now that this is dry, I will get again that bit smaller brush, a little bit more of the Prussian blue mixed in with brown or sepia, and just add just a tiny bit more details to the wings. Like that. Bit more blue. And then some more raw sienna, or not raw sienna, but sepia with that blue, like that for the center, and a bit more here just underneath, and also maybe just a bit more here to the bottom. Now I will get a bit more of the blue and just drop in a couple of splatters with the blue, and then a couple of splatters with raw sienna. Like that. And just a bit more. This just looks too light for me, so I will get a little bit more of that mix, and then just again here at the center add in a bit more, like that. And now I think that's gonna be enough, and we're done with our little angel. As simple as that. You can definitely add more embellishments, add more ink if you like that. I just love how simplistic it looks, and I want to keep it that way, light and simple. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, for painting this beautiful angel with me. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Also, remember, on my Patreon you can find the free sketch for this illustration and all of the illustrations for the winter ornament or winter illustration series. Yeah, and you know what? There's just one more thing. If you do like this video, you can just hype it. There's just that little button underneath the video that you can press and just let everybody know that you like this video, it's worth watching, and just make it a little bit more accessible to a larger number of people. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying your holidays and have lots and lots of fun and good moments, beautiful moments, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye!